Alright, I think it's high time for another demonstration, so let's see if this thing works like it has up until now that I'm trying to show people. First of all, turn on our remote here.
Welcome to the Turnigy 9XR Pro.
Yeah, it's not going to get annoying. Alright, so now that's good. Come to my switch here. Alright, and it looks good. Looks like my cooling fans have kicked on. Looks like the Arduino and all of the other fun stuff and the receiver are on. The receiver is saying it is in fact getting a signal from the transmitter, so yay. So now let's test some stuff out. There's my custom battery pack there. Anyway, so we have this jack. This has a power lead coming from the relays connected to the Arduino. This also has its own little, I want to call it a data line. It's really simpler than that, but it basically is connected to a couple of switches that let the jack know when it's all the way up or all the way down. The way this thing was originally built, they had it with some honestly really underpowered relays driving it, and I just didn't like the fact that they used about 7 times the length of wire they needed to, so I just rewired it and did it differently. Anyway, so there's that, and I've been playing around with that, and there's also these two drill motors, which I've hacked, and these might get away from me a little, we'll see. So, the way I have this set up right now, because I have not figured out the channel mixing yet, is that if I just take these sticks and I move one of them forward, there we go. Cool. Center it and it stops all the way back. And there we go. So that one works. And then this one should be the other stick. Okay, so that one works. And now, I've got some parts that are still on order, so you'll have to just kind of trust me here. But I'm going to click this switch here, or this stick here to the side, and you'll hear a little click out of the Arduino, and you'll see a little red light go on. You might not be able to see that, so I'll move you over there. Whoops. Okay, and so those two relays will drive a thing that I don't have ready yet. But, on the other side, I have the Arduino also programmed to control the jack. So, when I move this stick to the left right now, nothing should happen because I've got it programmed so that it knows when it's all the way down and it won't try to go down. And we're good there. However, it should know that it can go up because that button isn't pressed, so when I move this to the right, all going well, this thing should start to go up. A little messy, but we'll call that good. So now it should know that it can in fact go down, and you'll actually see it stop itself when it gets close enough. Cool. And now if I try and make it go down, it won't. But if I try and make it go up, fun, fun. So then, to turn this all off, just come over here with our handy-dandy little screwdriver. Quarter turn left, quarter turn left. And we're all shut down. So that sure seems to be working perfectly, and it's worth noting that now it's worked perfectly for over 4.5 minutes. Which means I'm doing something right. Hurrah!